Blood Bowl 7's tournament going on. Humberside Hostility. So I'm going to head to that. For those who don't know what Blood Bowl is, you should. It's fantasy football at its best. Kind of like American football, but with orcs and elves and murder and chainsaws. You know, all the good stuff. So we're just on the way there to pick up my boy Cam. We're going to head down together. It's 5 games today, which is okay for a 7s tournament. Usual Blood Bowl tournaments are about 3 games, but they take about 2 hours apiece, whereas 7s is shorter. So should be good. Looking forward to it. Took halflings today, which again, for those who play Blood Bowl, you'll know that I'm setting off with a crutch already. Because halflings aren't the best team, but it's all about fun, you know. Can't be too competitive. It's not good. We're just going to go and grab Cam, grab a coffee beforehand, head down. Tournament starts at 9, so in about an hour. It's going to be a bit touch and go in terms of time, but should be fine. And it's at this point I realised I didn't record enough footage, and it's partially because I just got so caught up in the games, and also I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never made a video before. It's always a scary thing, you know, putting yourself out on the internet. And I don't even know if I'm going to upload this video, though I suppose if you're watching this then I have. But the one thing about me is that I'm a huge introvert, and my favourite way to be in any situation is as invisible as possible. So this is not something that comes naturally to me. But I love the hobby, I love the game, I love the people that I've met through it, the experiences I've had as a result of it. You know, travelling to all these different events, which are always great fun with great people. So I guess someone needs to document these things, because it isn't, in comparison to the other games that are out there, it isn't as big as it should be. So I'm kind of hoping to change that. But I guess that will do for now. There's another couple of tournaments coming up. There's a big one on the 16th of December, run by Cameron, and that's organised in one of my favourite venues, and it just sounds like it's going to be a really good time. So I'll record that. Probably going to be better by then, as I sort of learn to work around the technicalities of this. But I guess that'll do for now. So, see you at the next one. Alright, take care. Bye.